In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do if your YouTube channel got rejected to be monetized due to reused content. After doing everything yourself, you still got rejected. Well, good news, my friend. I'm about to show you how you can get your channel monetized within 24 hours. Hi YouTube, my name is Yaya Lobad and this is my channel Fabo 2.0. After I got invited to the Monetization YouTube program, I have received a notification feedback says that the channel uses someone else's content without making changes that add significant value. All of my content is original and made by myself, and the voiceovers are my own voice. I'd like to take you through my creative process. I create my content from scratch using CapCut for my editing videos and voiceover, and using Canva for my thumbnails, which I create for every single video. The clips and images are taken from Storyblocks, which is a paid service, and I write every script on Google Docs, and I type it myself and do my research, and I use keyword platforms to outsource my description and title. All of my channel content is about positivity and how to keep working on yourself. For all my content, I do my research, do the voiceover, the editing, and the thumbnail and the keywords. As you have seen on this video, all the hard work and the editing and everything. I plead with you to please accept me into your monetization program. I'll be very grateful and thankful. Thank you very much for taking time to watch my video and to let me explain myself and show you how years and months I spent on building this channel. I spread positivity and hope, and I hope I get a positive answer. Thank you.